Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara. Today I am going to show you how to make this star. This is very easy and simple tutorial, especially for the beginners. For this star I am going to use a 4-ply yarn and a hook of 4.5 mm. So let's get started by making a magic circle. Now take the yarn on the left hand tail end and the working yarn on the right hand and wrap the working yarn around your finger in such a way that it makes an X. Now take the hook and insert the hook under the bottom yarn and pull up the upper yarn and twist the yarn to make a loop. Now chain 1 from the working yarn. To secure the ring and take out your fingers. Now work chain 3, 2 and 3. One chain I have already worked. Now work total of 14 double crochets into the magic circle. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic circle, pull up the loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This makes over double crochet. Now again yarn over, insert the hook into the magic circle, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. In the same way work total of 14 double crochets. Now I have worked total of 14 double crochets. Now insert the hook into the chain 3 and pull up the loop and pull through. Now we have total of 15 double crochets into the magic circle. Now pull the tail end to close the circle. Now from this point I am going to work total of 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now insert the hook into the second chain from the hook. Pull up the loop. You have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the 2 loops. This makes over single crochet. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain and pull up the loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. This makes over half double crochet. Now again yarn over, insert the hook into the chain and pull up the loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This makes over double crochet. Now in the last chain yarn over twice, insert the hook into the last chain and pull up the loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This makes over triple crochet. Now 1, 2, skip these 2 chains into the third chain, skip these 2 stitches 1 and 2 and into the third stitch, pull up the loop and pull through to make a slip stitch. You can see over one point of the star is created. Now repeat the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Insert the hook into the second chain from the hook and pull up the loop and yarn over and pull through 2. This makes over single crochet. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the second chain and pull up the loop, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops to make a half double crochet. Now again yarn over, insert the hook into the third chain and pull up the loop. fourth chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This makes over double crochet. Now again yarn over twice, insert the hook into the last chain and pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now skip 2 stitches on the circle and into the third, insert the hook and pull up the loop and pull through to make a slip stitch. Now this is over second point of the star. In the same way, work total of 5 points, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the second chain from the hook and pull up the loop and work a single crochet. Now in the next chain, work a half double crochet, into the next chain work a double crochet, and into the last chain work a triple crochet. Now skip these 2 stitches on the circle and to the third stitch work a slip stitch. Now in the same way work 2 more and I will meet you at this point. Now I just worked the last point and skip these 2 stitches and into the third work a slip stitch and chain 1 and cut the yarn. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then I recommend you subscribing my channel to follow more crochet tutorials and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take great care of yourself. Bye bye.